Hello students, today we will see the next part of strings in C++, using the concept of string class, and we are going to implement one program based on different operations, based on different inbuilt functions and relational operators, right? So our aim is to our objective for today's program will be to implement different string functions and operators using string class, right? In the last session, C style string we have seen. In today's session we'll see C++ string class for doing different string operations, right? So we'll go for the program. See, the program looks like this. We'll go from top. In order to work with C++ string class, you need to include string as a header file. For C style, string.h, and for string class we need to include string, only string, right? So every object of a class string represents a single string, meaning, see, at this particular line I have created three objects of a string class. So S1 represents one string, S2 other string, S3 other string, right? So I can say S1 equal to, I mean directly I can give the string value to string S1 object, and I can display it also, right? You can enter the string from the user also through console window. So C in S2 will allow you to enter the value and will assign the value to variable S2, right? So this is what is mean by instantiation. This you can do at the time of creation also, meaning I can say S4 is equal to, and I can say here IOIT this way, right? So this is called creation and instantiation at the time of declaration only, and this is only declaration, and after that initialize the value, right? So till this, now it is clear. Now how to find out the length of the string? S1 dot length will return the single integer value is nothing but the total number of characters in a given string, right? How to find these? How to find whether the string is empty or not? By calling the function empty. So as these are the functions of string class, these functions are called by using an object. So on which string you want to perform this operation, that object you need to use. So S3.empty. So if the string is empty, there are no characters in a string, then it is going to return true, otherwise it is going to return false, a boolean operation, boolean function. So if this returns true, string is empty, otherwise string is not empty, and will display the result, that is the string contents are these, right? How to check the string equality? In case of C++ string class, the relational operators you can use for number of different comparisons, whether the strings are equal, to find whether the string is greater or lesser, that way. So if S1 equal to S2, strings are equal, otherwise not equal. Instead of strcmp, we have used the relational operator, double equal to. Easy. If S1 is greater than S2, S1 is greater, otherwise S2 is greater, right? Similarly, you can use less than operator, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. These operators you can use for checking the greaterness, or whether the string is small or not, or whether the strings are equal or not, right? Now the next operation is, if you want to find out the particular character at which index, at which location it has been located, so the function name is find. S1 dot find in bracket character E, suppose you have mentioned, then it will give you the first occurrence of that particular string, meaning, now let's say here we have given two values. Let's say my string is, let's say AISS MS. here s has occurred 3 number of times, and if I want to find s, then it is going to give the value of the index of this first character, right, meaning it is going to return you 2, right. So to find out the index, then it is going to give you it is going to be found out by find operation. If you want to erase a particular part of a string, then erase function is used, right. It takes namely 1 and 2 parameters, right. It is overloaded function that I will what is mean by function overloading in detail we'll see, but for time being just remember that different number of versions of this erase function is functions are there. So if I want to find out the erase function, then how it is going to do, see, s1 dot erase 4, meaning from 4th location till end it is going to erase everything, and till 4th location it is going to keep as it is. That is what is mean by erases. Let's say ai ss ms. So if I say 4, 0 1 2 3 4, so this is 4th index. From 4th till end of the string it is going to erase, and till that it is going to display. It is s1 will remain till that location itself, right. So if you want to delete a part of the string, erase function is used. Then what about how to clear the screen? Clear the string by using s2 dot clear, means whichever string you want to clear, that using that object you are going to call the function s2 dot clear. So before clearing, the contents are this, and after clearing, contents are this. How you can check? Execute empty on s2, you will come to know whether the string is cleared or not, right. So these are some of the functions which are frequently used, and you might require this in the actual practical problem statements of OOP-CGL, right. Now we'll execute this program, we'll see whether we are getting the output or not. So the first string is SC computer 2020. Now I will enter, let's say, hello. Sorry, hello. Right, the length of the string is 17. I mean, this string's length is 17. String is empty. Now which string is empty? See, for which we have taken s3. S3 only we have created, we have not assigned anything, we have not taken anything, so it is showing output as s3 is empty. Strings are not equal. S1 and S2 we have compared. S1 is SECOM 2020 and this is hello, so strings are not equal. Obviously S1 is greater. Index of character is 2, right. Output after erase is only SC. Computer is after computer up to 0 it has been erased, right. Contents of S2 are S2 before erase are hello, and after erase are empty, and S2 is empty, right. So this is how you can try different operations, string operations on string class, which can be treated as string is or you can say which can be the replacement of character array of C style class in C++.